Physics MCQ Part 2. Please watch the video till the end. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for getting the notification. What is the standard unit, C, for measuring work and energy? A. Farad, B. Joule, C. Watt, D. Ohm. Correct option is Joule. Electrons carry which charge? A. Positive charge, B. Negative charge, C. Neutral charge, D. Variable charge. Correct option is negative charge. Which color deviates highest when passing through a prism? A. Violet, B. Green, C. Indigo, D. Orange. Correct option is violet. Proton carries which type of charge? A. Positive charge, B. Neutral charge, C. Negative charge, D. Variable charge. Correct option is positive charge. What is the size of electron as compared to proton and neutron? A. 1 by 355, B. 1 by 1236, C. 1 by 1836, D. 1 by 1923. Correct option is 1 by 1836. In which medium sound travels fastest? A. Water, B. Air, C. Vacuum, D. Steel. Correct option is steel. Which is the unit of light year? A. Length, B. Speed, C. Light, D. None of the above. Correct option is length. Approximately in how much time light from sun reaches Earth? A. 3 minutes, B. 8 minutes, C. 10 minutes, D. 12 minutes. Correct option is 8 minutes. Whose C unit is Hertz? A. Weight, B. Pressure, C. Power, D. Frequency. Correct option is frequency. The velocity of sound is highest in which medium? A. Metal, B. Water, C. Vacuum, D. Air. Correct option is metal. Thank you for watching the video.